a bike check. Starting with the bars, we got S&M Grand Slam bars, white ODI grips, broken ODI bar ends, fit, stock, stem, green bolts, stock headset, We the People Excalibur forks, premium front wheel, premium hub, spokes, rim, fit FAF tire, tan wall. Frame is a fit part 2. Cranks, Primo power bites with Primo pedals. White United sprocket with some messed up chain. Seat post is premium animal seat with back wheel, fit FAF tire, tan wall with fit cassette hub, fit or alienation spokes, alienation rim, and that's my bike.